How to clear WeChat storage. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can clear WeChat storage. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is you will need to open up your WeChat. This is what it should look like, and after you're on your WeChat, head over to the bottom right corner that says Me. Now this is your profile. What you will need to do is head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, head over to general settings. Now on your general settings, you will see different options. If you scroll down a bit, you will see an option that says chat history. If you want to clear your WeChat storage, you can clear all of your chats as well. So simply tap on clear all and then confirm that. Now this should clear some of your storage. You can head over to chat history and migration backup as well. You can back up your WeChat before you delete everything here, and after you do that, you can head over to storage, and on your storage you will see your cache memories. Now what you can do is you can simply remove your cache memory. You will see a lot of different things here. Tap on remove. You can select or deselect anything that you want. Tap on remove and that should clear up your storage. Now you can scroll down and you can find other resources, files, and other account chat histories as well. You can remove that as well, and doing that will clear WeChat storage. Guys, thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.